Hello, today we install this multi-beam LED headlights for this E-Class W213. Yeah, this is his old lights. One pair is over there. Yeah. Now, this is the LED high performance, right? Okay, looks like this. Old one. Yeah. If your lights looks like this, then you can consider this LED high performance, the multi-beam LED headlights retrofit, right? Multi-beam LED. Okay, the shape is totally different. Okay, right? Looks like this. Well, we haven't done the coding, so later we'll show you the final result. Okay, beautiful. Today we have finally get this multi-beam LED retrofitted in this E250 sedan. It's a normal sedan. And this is his old lights. Yeah, this is a LED high performance. Looks like this. Okay, and this is a multi-beam LED. Yeah, you can see multi-beam LED. Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, and the other side, multi-beam, and this is a Mercedes logo. Okay, so now we lock the car. Right? Okay, the car is locked. The mirror folded. And we unlock it. Can see the blue eyelash come out, and followed by this white LED day running light. Okay, we lock it again. Actually, if the white light is not shut down, you lock the car, you can see the blue eyelash again. Okay, lock it. Yeah, turn down the car. Yeah, you can see the lights is scanning from left to right, right to left, and these two main beam, actually inside this main beam is composed by a matrix of LED elements. Okay. From side, you can see a very beautiful blue. Yeah, actually there's another car over here also doing this one. Okay, gray and signal. Yeah, looks like this. The other side, beautiful, and high beam. Okay, day running light. Okay, green. Yeah, and this light is so-called adaptive intelligent. So inside this menu, yeah, we can see first we need to check whether there is any error message right after we retrofit this job. Okay, zero message, and from here we can see this vehicle light settings. Right, you can see two extra menu items. One is the intelligent light system, so you can turn it on. Intelligent light is off. You turn it on and off. This is on, right? This is on. And the other one is called surround. No, is the dipped beams. You can choose it is right traffic or left traffic. Okay, Singapore is left side traffic. It's right hand side drive, but it's left side traffic. Okay, if you are driving in Germany or other left hand side drive countries, you choose the right side traffic. Okay, this is the left traffic. That's these two extra menu item, yeah, which you don't have in this high beam assist. It's in LED high performance lights. Okay, these two items. Okay, yeah, and you can set this exterior light shut off timing, like off immediately, or 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Yeah, right. You can choose which one you prefer.